If you were affected by Tropical Storm Helene and your privately owned road or bridge was damaged or destroyed, FEMA may be able to provide some money to assist with those repairs. Now, who can apply for this assistance? Homeowners who are financially responsible for maintaining a road or a bridge, or homeowners who share financial responsibility for a road or bridge with their neighbors. FEMA encourages all homeowners who share that road or bridge to apply for assistance, as they may be eligible for a portion of the money that can be provided. How can you apply for this assistance? There are a few ways that you can do that. You can go online at disasterassistance.gov. You can go in person at a disaster recovery center. To find the closest center near you, visit fema.gov/DRC, or you can call the FEMA helpline number, which is 1-800-621-3362.